Look how tiny those letters are. Unbelievable. This video is sponsored by Creality. Ooh la la. Thanks to Creality for sending us this Falcon 2 laser cutting and engraving machine. Hey look, they don't just sell laser engravers, they also sell 3D printing machines. Check all the links in the description. Quick unboxing. Laser module, air assist, USB-C cable, power pack, special goggles, key, accessories, and many more. Also check the entire box, and there is a metal plate and the pre-assembled frame. Very cool. Let's begin with the razor stands. You could pick any of these 3 holes for your table size. If you have a bigger table, use the ends, or you have a smaller table, use the closest ones to the center. We have the air assist, and there's this little hose. You can plug it here. Make sure it's very tight. The cable from the air assist goes to the left of the frame. Laser module goes here. Loosens and tightens the thumb screw. This little hose, you remove it from the clamps. Lift this cover and connect the hose. Pretty easy, huh? Next step, this cord or harness. Connect it here. Once connected, I'm going to use the same clamps where the hose came. Before we continue, Creality does have a lot of discounts today. Check the link in the description. And the good thing is that works with Lightburn. It is very important to check the contents that are described in the website. This giant metal plate and the honeycomb are not included. Those sold separately. So I'm using Lightburn and connecting the USB-C cable through the frame to my computer. Yeah, it works with PC and Mac. This cable coming from the power pack goes on the side of the frame. It does have a lot of safety features like air, fire, lens, and this protective lens. Comes with a little key, you turn it on. And this is the emergency stop. Once you have the key on position, just turn it on and you are good to go. With this little piece of metal, we are going to adjust the focus of the lens, and to do so, we just place it under the laser module. This sample bore is about 2 millimeters, and we're using the top one. What you gotta do is just loosen the thumb screws and set it on the highest point of the metal part. Tighten the thumb screws and remove it, and we are ready to go. Check the link in the description for the Creality store for the Falcon 2 22-watt laser engraving cutting parameter settings. That's for engraving and cutting. You are gonna need that to start making some tests, as I failed miserably. Alright, let's begin. Well, that is the first test. So not bad, engraving. So I'm learning. It is the first time I'm using this machine. Another test, we are going to engrave this piece of wood. Remember to adjust the height. Since this wood is very thick, I'm going to use this setting right here. That is over 6 millimeters thick. Fire it up. Alright, well, look at that. It's doing much better. That's a good engraving. Let's see if you can find the problem here. This is very even, and this is not even engraving. The problem is this end was a little higher and the other one was a little lower, and that means my table was crooked. Make sure you have a very flat, even surface. Speed 100, power 100. Speed 150, power 100. Alright, let's do a prototype. I'm using a 3mm birchwood. Very nice. And let me tell you, it's very fast. Roof pattern, good. It is a prototype, so please don't be so harsh with me. Nice stones. Yep, I know I mistake on this part. It is looking really good. I need the frames. Looking good. How about that? That looks promising. I need to do something for the top. It is a prototype, remember, prototype. That should go right there. Those windows might need some frames. Yeah, that makes a big difference. Alright. That's looking very good. Looking good. Doors. We have the barn doors, but let me show you something. Look at that tiny ladder. Also done with the Creality Falcon 2. How tiny. Now you can see it in inches. Almost a quarter, almost an inch long. Very small. That's the small one, and this is a little bigger one. Looking good. Check the link in the description for Creality. Please like and subscribe.